Is it safe to buy Nepenthes from other growers? I did the test for you. I ordered some plants from a grower in BC and another one from Quebec. So from one coast to the other. And we will see what kind of packaging we have, what kind of plants we have when we buy from other growers. So coming up. Hi, if you are new to my channel, my name is Rémi and I've been growing carnivorous plants since I'm 16. I've been focusing on Nepenthes on the Windowsill since I moved to Canada. So now we will talk about what do you get when you buy plants from other growers. For the last unboxing was from two different professionals, Little Green Monster and Brad Greenhouse, but now I wanted to do the test. What is it to order from other growers? So I decided to order some plants from BC and some plants from Quebec. So that's really from a coast to the other, in Canada for sure. I just want to let you know I had contact, I chatted with these people before ordering. I always recommend having some chat, discussion, asking questions, all that stuff before buying, just to know that the person is really serious and etc. So one, I met him on Instagram, and the other one, I contacted him using Facebook, but it was a contact from a forum. So again, you just start chatting, asking questions, what plants do they sell, what is the setup? Don't hesitate to ask them to show you pictures of their setup. What kind of condition the plants are used to. That's gonna help you to acclimate the new plants. So now let's start by the first one, the one from BC. So first, it's really well packed. That's impressive. It was not able to escape, I guess. So now I will see what is inside. I don't even know where to start. Okay. Okay. Wow. That's impressive. Okay. Okay. So I will have to switch. This is usually working, but that's too small.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
This should work better. Okay. Okay. First, I'll try to see. Okay, there is bubble wrap. I don't want to destroy the plants. That's why. Yeah, when you have good tools, that's always better, especially with all this tape. That's really impressive. Okay. Okay, wow. That's pretty well packed. See? So, I know somebody that will enjoy playing with that. Okay. So what's that? Wow, really nice. I think that's the Vichii. That's the small Vichii. I don't know if you can see. Looks really good. So two small Vichii. Really happy. Wow. And another one. Huh. Interesting, not the same look. Oops, I was totally wrong. It's not two VGI. There is one that is the VGI, and the second one is an hybrid, Rocco Exotica by Vogelii. Okay. Then we have okay, another one. Whew. Okay. This time I don't want to use a blade just because the plant could be damaged. And okay. Whoa. Really nice. I don't know if you see that. That's Ventricosa amara. Nice teeth. A nice picture too. Okay, I will first unplug this because that's gonna be... It will be harder for you to see. Okay. So definitely amara, you can see by the leaves. But yeah, look at this one. Interesting. Wow. Okay. Okay, wow. Really nice. And another one. It's pretty packed. Okay, it was taped at the bottom. I don't see anything else, so that's good. Okay. I really feel like Christmas. If you grow Nepenthes and you receive a box, this feeling never gets old. Okay. Oh, wow. That's a nice one. Oh. Okay, give me a sec. No, I was looking for this one. Oh, it was crushed. Well, too bad, too sad, but I was looking for this baby. Like, this is the Ventricosa lowii. Oh, no. That's the lowii Ventricosa. Really interesting picture. I will take some picture later, but wow, that's really nice. And another one that is coming, so okay, wow, that was nice, nice, nice first box. This grower is from BC, and the next unboxing would be somebody from Québec. So yeah, we will see. Not that I want to compare for sure, but yeah, that's interesting to see that there is a lot of growers from a coast to the other. And yeah, so maybe one day I will be able to interview a Windowsill Nepenthes grower from Canada. That would be neat. Okay, and here. Okay, so a lot of nice picture. Yeah, I will definitely repot them and make sure they are happy on the Windowsill. Hi guys, I interrupt a minute to ask you a favor. Could you please like this video and consider subscribing, hitting the little bell? That's the best way for you to see more tutorials and videos like that. Thank you. So now let's move on and see the Quebec one. Okay, so now let's do the second unboxing. So that's a tiny box. It comes from Quebec. From another grower, and this one, I've been waiting for this one for a long time. The first one from BC was sent as express shipping. It took 3 days. This one, express shipping too, from Quebec, it took 9 days. So you never know with post, especially in this time, you don't know. It could be totally random, so the faster the better. So this one, I won't use a big knife, and it should be quite easy to open. Okay. So that's good. Only last one and okay, so here is what we have. Oh, and we have something else, so we'll see. Let's keep it for the end. So for now, as you can tell, it's pretty well packed. Ziploc, humid substrate, and guess what it is? This species, I've been waiting for it for a long time. So there is 2 species actually. And I'm sure you know, oh, okay, hold on, they are kind of attached together. Okay. So, you probably know this one. That's the Amara. I finally have an Amara, so that's really neat. I hope the plant looks good. For sure, there is some pictures that died. It's always like that. And this one is almost kind of a squished, but really nice teeth. And yeah, I will report that as soon as I can. And so it's Amara, wow, Gunung Limit. So I will let you read that. I'm not sure for the spelling, but we have the hairs, we have the teeth, so that's nice. So I'm really happy with that. So this second one is Robkentlii Molly. So this one will probably have a really nice stripe on the picture for what I see. Nice color overall. So that's gonna be, oh, the leaves are really thick. That's really, really great. Okay. So, oh yeah, and okay, I'm doing a mess. My wife will be not happy if I, okay. And what's that? Oh, we have some baby Nepenthes there. Okay, wow. Super cool. I will have to contact the seller to know what is it. No name tag, so I don't know if it's like random open pollination seedling or if it's a species. But that's really a nice touch. Again, when you will buy from other growers, this video is only about other growers selling their own plants that they mainly grow from seed or had cuttings and all that stuff. Yeah, the contact with the seller is really important, and there is a lot of good people out there. Don't buy from eBay. Sorry, I don't recommend that. But when it's somebody that you have a discussion with via Instagram, Facebook, or whatever, usually that's people you can trust, and yeah, it's always a good way to connect with people that have the same hobby than you. So now I will report everyone, and that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you have any questions, if you already order regularly from other growers, please let me know. If you really want to play safe and only order from professional and shops, again, I'm curious to see how many people accept to buy from amateurs. And again, I'm not sure about the eBay. I know there is a lot of good stuff there, but yeah, the lack of discussion contact could be challenging, especially for me. I really want the more information possible when I buy plants. And the last thing I want is just having a dead plant on arrival and just having to deal with it. So, until next time, happy growing!